From when this is there?
This has come during my second pregnancy.
How many years now?
Now just 4 months. I delivered 4 months back.
4 months back. It was before that, how many months it was there, I did? Or after delivery about?
First, before when I was unmarried, that time it used to come go. I didn't much kind of show serious in this, but now it's become too much.
Just paining too much?
Paining in the sense only if I get hurt once.
Yeah, if it touch like this,
Yeah, if you touch slowly, no. Like if I hit somewhere, it hurts.
It hurts like this? If I do like this?
You get that uneasy feeling.
Uneasy feeling is there. You shown to the doctor, no?
I didn't show any doctor because I couldn't take any medicine that time. It's the first time I'm showing.
We have done that day recording of your hand. So how is your condition after the 10 sittings of treatment?
It's amazing. It has actually improved a lot. The swelling is completely gone. The pain has kind of vanished. In my first sitting only, it was like a miracle to me. I never expected it to be so fast. Today is my 10th sitting and I'm really feeling as if I'm completely cured.
Because this type of problem, that is bone growth, in the medical science, there is no other answer for that. Mostly they go for operation. In this area where you had problem, in that operation also is always risky what they feel.
Yeah, it comes back. That's what was told.
And again it will come back. But whereas in our acupuncture, it is my own research, even in China nobody has done till today, but I have treated many cases. On that basis I have taken your case, but we never recorded such cases. But we feel this as simple cases in our center. But whatever we have done, so we have just thought today to that day, actually on second, third day I was trying to take your recording, because within 3 days only it has came to the half the size. And today it is just totally gone. You can see this hand is totally normal now. There was growth, if you have seen before in recording, there was big growth here of bone growth. We doctor has told only there is operation is only option, but because of one patient recommended this case to us, we have taken that case, and now we can see the hand is totally normal, no pain. She can do total work normal, and that also within 3 days it was almost less than half size, and within 10 sitting we can see now totally gone. So these are the things which impossible in medical science by medicines, we have done possible in our center. What you have to say to the people, what you have seen here? Who has recommended here actually?
Actually, it was my mother-in-law who used to come here for her treatment. It was to my husband who had, I don't know how he came to know about it, but he told my mother-in-law to come and give a try for her sleep disc problem. And she was quite happy with the treatment, so she said, why not go and try? So that's how I came here. And I'm very happy for coming here. And I was just talking to some of my patients around there who were next to me there for the treatment. Not a single person has said, no, I'm not happy with the treatment. That is kind of a very good image to this hospital. I think people should try this out.
Because all you sit together and when
we happened to talk, what is your problem? There was this lady who said, I got spondylitis for so many years, maybe 15 years, and I'm feeling very good. So it's like a very good thing. There are many people suffering here with spondylosis and we don't even know about it.
Yeah, because people only talk about outside. There are a lot of rumors are going on.
With
medicine,
it improves, but just for temporary. Maybe we are getting some side effect we are not even aware of. Yeah. So that's very nice.
We find a lot of people talk a lot of things. What acupuncture, what needle can work, what are the things, how it is possible, and this type of thing. One who doesn't seen anything here or not entered in our center will talk like these things actually. But one who comes inside our center will always talk good thing what we have found. We are trying to record such lot of recordings or interviews so that we'll open the eyes of the people so that people can come in time to get treated. You have seen all patients are coming after 15 years, 10 years, 20 years, and then we treat them and we cure them. and why not in first starting condition? So we are trying our effort to have the recording of such patients, and we try to display it. We try to do expenditure in such a way so that patient will come in the starting condition. And like you, only people should tell now each others so that they will know what acupuncture our center, because we have done lot research. It is not a simple acupuncture. We have done our own research, for which our Chinese have recommended our center for research also, and all lot of research of our are being trained in our in regular classes also. So this is how our center works. So you are happy now with our treatment?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Definitely.
Okay, thank you very much.